Yn anffodus, mi fuodd na broblemau technegol yn y bala bnawn Sadwrn, ond yn lwcus roedd y ffotograffydd Rhys Skinner yno, ac fe gawson ni lunia arbennig o Mwmwd o Twre rhoi'r bari ar y blaen wedi dim ond 8 o funuda. Fe gafodd y bala gyfla i nioni'r sgôr yn yr ail hannar, Robbie Patton yn llawio yn y cwrt, a gyda llai na chwarter awr yn weddill, cic o'r smotyn i'r tîm cartra. Ond Chris Venables yn wastraffus a'r rhediad perffaith y bala a'r faes tegid yn dod i ben.
Gavin, you're the first team to come to Bala and win this season. That's got to be satisfying.
Yeah, very pleasing. You know, difficult place to come. You know, a good team, seasoned European campaigners in recent years. So yeah, to come here and keep a clean sheet is hugely pleasing.
Yeah, it's difficult. Chris has not tried to miss it. It's one of them things. He's brave enough to take it, and you know we'll back him to the hilt. Chris is a fantastic player, and we'll stand by him. You know he's absolutely devastated in there. He said himself that if he scored it, would have gone on and won it. But you know it's no good saying that now. We've got to get on and start rebuilding for Tuesday and then Saturday. So we've been on a good run and disappointed to lose the home record, but really proud of the performance from the lads. They really battled well and dominated a very good Barry team.
From my perspective, you know, 25 points from 12 games is a huge improvement on last year. It's important we keep our humility. It's important that we keep working hard and you know, boring, but keep focusing on the next game and look forward to each challenge.